Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner on your Motorola Moto G06 Power won't recognize your face and won't let you access your device using face unlock. In such situation we have to set up a new face model on our device, and let's do it better this way. So first of all, swipe down the control center, then go to settings by tapping right here, and then scroll down to security and privacy section. Go to device unlock. Now go to face unlock. Oh, not here. And if you have any previously set up face models on your phone, then first delete the face data like this. And now before adding a new face model, first make sure that the frontal camera of your phone is clean and you can clearly see your face in the camera. For the same reason, adjust the lights in your room and remove all the accessories that you have on your face, like glasses, masks, etc. And also hair, if it falls on your face. This might also affect the way that your scanner recognizes your face. Okay, now once the camera is clean, let's select face unlock. Let's once again confirm with password or pattern, and now tap setup and look directly in the camera. Wait until your face is added. Now you can just adjust these settings to yourself and tap next, then tap done. And before we proceed, let's go back to settings and select system updates. Now in system updates, make sure that your device uses the latest software version so that your firmware stays in touch with your software, and also to check for updates you're gonna need internet connection. So make sure that your device is connected to the internet, either using mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you don't have any updates to install, then just restart your phone to make sure that the change is applied. To do that, press the power button and volume up key together, and then select restart. Then wait until your phone is restarted. Once your device is restarted, as a security measure, you're gonna have to enter your password first to unlock your phone. Wait until your device is started. It might take a couple of minutes depending on how many applications you have on your phone. Next, lock your device, and let's try to test our face recognition scanner now. Okay, it went pretty well for the first time. I think the problem is too many excessive apps on the phone. Now let's try it again. Okay, it went even smoother this time. And now let's try for the third time. And everything seems fine. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.